So I've been using the Milestone Mastercard for a while now, and if you've got bad credit or no credit history, this card probably popped up in your search. It says, no deposit, easy approval, and build your credit. But is it really that simple? In this video, I'm giving you my honest review, everything you need to know before applying. The Milestone Mastercard is an unsecured credit card issued by Genesis FS, designed for people with poor or limited credit history. No security deposit required. You can pre-qualify without a hard credit pull. Reports to all three major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, TransUnion. Available to people with past bankruptcies or damaged credit. This card is designed to help you build your credit, but not much else. Pros: what I like. No deposit needed compared to secured cards. Pre-qualification process won't hurt your credit. Accessible to people with poor credit or bankruptcy history. Reports monthly to the three bureaus. Helps build credit when used responsibly. Easy to manage via online portal. If you've been getting declined elsewhere, this might give you a much-needed start. Here's where you need to be careful. Annual fees range from $75 to $99 depending on your credit. You may also pay monthly maintenance fees after the first year. Low credit limit, usually around $300, and it doesn't increase. High APR, typically over 24%. No rewards or perks. No points, no cashback, no benefits. Some users report billing errors or slow customer service. So while it's accessible, it's not a card you want to stay with long term. Who is this card for? The Milestone Mastercard is for people who've been denied secured or unsecured cards, someone with no savings for a deposit, those focused only on rebuilding credit, people okay with fees in exchange for accessibility. It's not for anyone with fair or good credit. You'll find way better options. People looking for rewards, higher limits, or upgrade paths. Someone who wants long-term value from their credit card. So is the Milestone Mastercard worth it? If you've hit a wall and need a way to build credit with no deposit, it can be a helpful tool, but it's a short-term fix. Once your credit improves, you should upgrade to a card with better rewards, no fees, and more flexibility. Use the Milestone card only if you have no other option. Pay on time, and move up when you can. If this review helped you out, give it a like and hit that subscribe button for more honest breakdowns. Let me know in the comments. Have you used the Milestone card? Did it help or just cost you more? Catch you in the next one.